Userful's visual networking platform is a best-in-class solution for deploying displays and video walls across an enterprise. It's featureful, flexible, and easy to use, but it's also cost-effective, delivering unprecedented total cost of ownership savings. And in this video, we're going to show you how. Whether you're deploying an LED wall for a control room, displays for corporate communication, or digital signage for customer engagement, you need to consider all the costs associated with the deployment. This is known as total cost of ownership and includes acquisition costs, as well as operating costs. Examining all of these factors up front will help you understand your total investment and will also illustrate how much Userful can save your organization. Our solution will reduce your total cost of ownership in 7 ways. Userful requires significantly less hardware than the competition. In fact, we sometimes require no hardware at all. With Userful, there are no black boxes, no specialized or proprietary AV devices. When we do require hardware, it's always commercially available and off the shelf. Less hardware means fewer plugs, and that reduces the need for electric upgrades. Less hardware also means less electricity used. Most customers can simply use their existing network, saving the hefty costs related to network upgrades. And with flexible setup and training options, Userful also reduces your deployment costs, getting you up and running quickly and for a lower cost. Finally, because the Userful platform supports just about any display application, it eliminates traditional AV silos and reduces overhead related to staffing, training, support, and management. For any new rollouts, teams need to learn only a single set of management tools. Let's see exactly how this works with a couple of examples. First, let's look at a 6-screen video wall in a network operations center at a US-based software company. The competitor's solution consisted of proprietary hardware and software, a new switch, and an upgrade to the customer's existing network, plus setup and training, support, and maintenance for the hardware and for the software. On the other hand, Userful's costs were limited to a commercially available off-the-shelf server and our award-winning software, which includes customer training, maintenance, and support. There was no need to upgrade the network, and with only one server, hardware support was lower. That's a 50% savings in total cost of ownership. And if those savings are extended out at scale, consider a company with 4,000 locations worldwide and 12 screens in each. By eliminating expensive hardware licenses, unnecessary hardware, and the ongoing maintenance of that hardware, Userful offered a 46% savings, or almost $11,000 per location over 3 years. Scaled up by 4,000 sites, that's $43 million over a 3-year period. Big savings for a solution with a market-leading flexibility, security, ease of use, and performance. Learn more at userful.com or get in touch for a free consultation and demonstration.